What is going on, everybody? Hopefully all you guys have been able to sign up for the MUT rewards system, because I know a lot of people are having problems, but in this video we're going to open a premium pack, see what we can get. Maybe I'll think about doing a giveaway if I can get something in this pack. Starting off, King Dunlap. Carlos Dansby, Silver Badge, Desmond Trufant, and that should be it for the, oh, a Silver Badge, okay. Alright, so that's the pack. I'm going to show you my team really quickly. Just a little Silver Badge. I have gotten to a 99 overall. I have not spent any money on this game on packs. There's my offense. There's my defense. And special teams. Alright, so if you guys want me to do a giveaway of anybody, just suggest it, and see you in the next video.